Hello everyone, I am your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn how to draw using the alphabet A. You already know how to draw alphabet A. Now let's draw bigger alphabet A, letter A. Then you will start. Now we'll do drawing. Come on. First you do this aeroplane. Then next anchor. See how to draw. Triangle, anchor. Now arrow. Learn how to draw A for arrow. Now you draw A, B, C, D. It is called alphabet. Now there is the abacus. Draw square. Inside small square. Okay, now we'll do this. Hand, it is arm. This is the A for simple apple. This is now, what is this called, children? X. Now, let's see. Kids, you know this? Ant. A for ant. It is a alphabet letter writing. See. Okay. Now we'll do black sketch pen. If you like my teaching skill, so please like, share and subscribe. Black sketch pen done. Now extra pencil work, erase it. See, sketch pen work done. You can see. Okay. Let's complete with color. See, it is complete. In next video, we are learning alphabet B. Okay, thank you.